Big hello to all of you, and I would like to definitely today tell you certain very important pointers. Okay, and these important pointers are going to be those that are going to help you understand a lot about health, nutrition, and many other things. Right, guys? So हम सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं आज का क्वेश्चन. एंड आज का जो क्वेश्चन है ना, वो क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेन इट कम्स टू वेट लॉस. किसी ने एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था. फॉर ऑल दोज हु डोंट नो मी, my name is Khyati Rupani and I am live today to tell you what all you need to know in terms of weight loss, health, nutrition, in terms of lifestyle changes that you need to do and anything and everything. ठीक है? We have online programs and those online programs are mainly diet and lifestyle based and they help you in and out with terms of diet, lifestyle precautions using simple methods. ठीक है ना? शुरू करते हैं आज का लाइव. इससे पहले कि मैं आज का लाइव शुरू करूं, आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टैटिस्टिक दैट वी हैव कम अक्रॉस. एंड वो स्टैटिस्टिक क्या है पता है? सिंस लॉकडाउन स्टार्टेड, सिंस द पैंडेमिक स्टार्टेड, ओके, 73% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन हैज स्टार्टेड ईटिंग मोर अनहेल्दी फूड. कैन यू बिलीव इट? पैंडेमिक हमें हेल्दी रहना, द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्टेइंग हेल्दी इज व्हाट द पैंडेमिक इज टेलिंग अस अगेन एंड अगेन. और हम यहाँ ऐसे है कि वी हैव स्टार्टेड ईटिंग अनहेल्दी फूड इन दिस प्रपोर्शन. ओके, उसमें से पता है 65% लोगों का ये कहना है कि दे डोंट रियली ईट व्हेन दे आर हंग्री. दे आर ईटिंग बिकॉज ऑफ बोर्डम. सोचो भाई. सो अगर आपको बोर्डम हो रही है, सो टेल मी समथिंग, इज ईटिंग द ओनली वे टू गो अबाउट थिंग्स? आई एम गोइंग टू हैप्पीली आंसर ऑल योर क्वेश्चन. सो प्लीज आप लोग अपने क्वेश्चन डालो कमेंट्स में. बट दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू स्टार्ट विथ, कि सिंस द स्टार्ट ऑफ द पैंडेमिक, जहां द होल फोकस शुड बी ऑन us eating healthy, on us eating right, the whole focus is on completely different tangent. Having said that, I also wanted to today discuss a very important point and that is आज का हमारा टॉपिक. ठीक है, हमारा टॉपिक ये था कि हम कौन सी डाइट के बारे में बात करें. शुड इट बी कीटो डाइट, शुड इट बी intermittent fasting, should it be detox diets, or should it be all of the above and you decide कि कौन सा वाला सबसे अच्छा weight loss देता है. Right? So I am going to start with today the first diet, which is I feel one of the most appropriate diets for the Indian population. Can I start? Can you write in your comments? You can all write in your comments. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ और सुनना है, I can even answer those questions. But let me start with the diet that works the best. बहुत सारे लोग, इनफैक्ट अभी जस्ट बिफोर गोइंग लाइव आई वाज आंसरिंग अ कमेंट जिन्होंने लिखा था कि उन्होंने डाइट प्लान्स पे इतने सारे पैसे वेस्ट किए हैं. हाय रश्मि, हाय एवरीवन, आई एम वेरी ग्लैड आप लोग सब हो यहाँ पे एंड यू ऑल आर लिसनिंग. So first and foremost, I am going to, Kalpashri, comments are disabled. If you can put it on WhatsApp, no, I will get it and I'll keep answering them. है ना? Yeah. So please guys, okay, let's see if I can get some comments. Okay, yes, now I am going to tell you about a diet that works best for Indians. ठीक है ना? हमारे इंडियन कॉन्सेप्ट में इफ यू चेक योर हिस्ट्री, हाँ मैं डिटॉक्स के बारे में भी बताऊंगी, बट आई एम राइट नाउ पिकिंग अप अ डाइट विच वर्क्स द बेस्ट फॉर ऑल इंडियंस. ठीक है ना गाइस? कैन वी राइट? या ठीक है, चलो, आई थिंक वी विल स्टार्ट दैट. व्हाट वी विल बी डूइंग इज वी विल बी गिविंग यू इंसाइट ऑन द इंडियन हिस्ट्री. अगर आप देखो और अगर आप हमारे 3 जनरेशन पहले, यू सी व्हाट हैपेंड. ओके, 3 generations back what we saw was we used to wake up with the sun and we used to sleep with the sun. So if it was winter, we slept early, we woke up early. If it was summers, we woke up a little late and we slept a little late. हमारे दिन जरा समर में लंबे होते थे. So जो Indians होते थे, they were mainly farmers, okay, and they were mainly people जो labor class के labor वाले काम करते थे, isn't it? I'm getting comments, Kalpashri. No, I'm getting hi and I'm getting yes and I'm getting everything of everyone, and I'm also being able to see who all are watching. So we are in a good track. Don't worry. So यार अब बात करते हैं इंडियंस की. Okay, most of the Indians have grown up either as people who are working in the field or doing some sort of a job which involved labor. Okay, even as a housewife, you know, the Indian woman had to go through पानी निकालना, कपड़े साफ करना, आंगन साफ करना, झाड़ू करना, पोछा करना. You know, we did not have those modern methods of cooking, तो हम काफी ट्रेडिशनल कुकिंग करते थे जिसमें हमारा काफी टाइम जाता था. लेबर जो था and the way we used to use our body was very different from what it is right now. Okay, so पहले तो ये करते हैं. Second is that when you start, you know, you see, and typical Indian family जो खेत में जाता था, पति जिसका खुद का खेत था, he used to get up a little before sunrise. Okay, after finishing his tasks, he used to have a cup of tea and go for a bath. After coming from the bath, कभी breakfast नहीं खाते थे. They used to eat a proper lunch, okay, and that lunch used to be either a one-pot meal, depending on different parts of India. ओके काफी सारे लोग काफी सारी चीजें खाते थे. साउथ इंडिया में रागी बॉल्स बहुत यू नो स्ट्रेंथ वाले माने जाते थे. दे यूज्ड टू ईट अ लॉट ऑफ मिलेट्स. गुजरात जाओ तो आपको रोटला मिलेगा. राजस्थान में भी यू नो यूल गेट अ सब्जी और रोटला एंड अ वेरी बेसिक डाइट जो खा के इट यूज्ड टू बी रिच इन कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. खा के they used to start going to the fields. If the field is close by, the wife lovingly would take a little more roti and a little bit of onion, chilies or whatever it is, giving more carbs to the person. ठीक है ना. और आने के टाइम पे दैट इज बिफोर, क्योंकि तब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं हुआ करती थी, सो दे हैड टू ईट बिफोर सनसेट. ओके, और सनसेट मतलब अंधेरे में, सनसेट से लेके सनराइज तक they used to not eat anything, fearing that electricity नहीं है, इतनी पुअर लाइट में वो कैसे खाएंगे कुछ भी, right? So they used to depend on water and they used to keep themselves warm with warm liquids. So this is the diet that, you know, suits most of the Indians genetically. That is to eat one meal in the morning, eat one meal in the afternoon and eat one meal in the evening. All three meals should have some carbohydrates. Okay, हमारे carbohydrates भी तो change हो चुके हैं. Our carbohydrates are breads, our carbohydrates are मैदा rich noodles, pastas. They are polished rice. वहाँ polished rice तो होते ही नहीं थे. Even the rice used to be unpolished rice. You know, the dal also pressure cooker नहीं था. दाल एकदम प्यूरे नहीं होती थी. रवा नहीं था तब सिर्फ दलिया होता था. Millets भी काफी full होते थे and the fiber content used to be very high. इसीलिए they never put on weight because they did so much of, you know, hard work also. So this concept, okay, is suiting Indians, and that is what balanced nutrition, yeah, what I do or what my team does of 27 nutritionists with you guys is the concept of intermittent fasting. Okay, right from sunrise to sunset we eat 3 square meals a day. आप लोग क्या करते हो, मॉडर्न डाइट्स फॉलो करते हो, और मॉडर्न डाइट्स में आप लोग यू नो ट्राई करते हो सैलड खाना रात को सिर्फ सूप खा के सो जाना. ऑब्वियसली यू विल गो बैक एट यू नो 12:31 बिकॉज नींद नहीं आ रही है, पेट में यू नो चूहे दौड़ रहे हैं. यू वांट टू गो टू द किचन, यू वांट टू फाइंड समथिंग एंड दैट इज व्हेन एवरीथिंग गोज डाउन ना. कुकी मिल गई, चिप्स मिल गए, चिवड़ा मिल गया या चीज मिल गई, किसी को चोकोज मिल गया. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी शुड मेक श्योर दैट इज अवॉइडेड. ओके, so when these things are avoided, imagine if you eat proper 3 meals, how superb it will work for you, isn't it? So intermittent fasting के काफी सारे misconceptions भी है. intermittent fasting में लोगों को लगता है कि देखो कोई लिख रहा है ट्रू, हाँ भव्या ताई साथ भी था ने आपके साथ भी होता है ये. that's right. So this is what the issue is. Okay guys, you cannot you know start becoming you know हम लोग आफ्टरनून तक इंडियंस हैं. ओके, सुपर्ब राइट. आफ्टरनून तक भी प्योर इंडियंस. हम लोग नाश्ता करते हैं, चलो ठीक है, नाश्ते में कभी कॉर्नफ्लेक्स खा लिया, टोस्ट खा लिया, वी आर फिरंग्स. then again in the afternoon you are eating your typical lunch, you know, whether you're from South India, North India, whatever, you're eating your roti, you're eating your rice, you're eating every single thing that is there in that, right? then in the evening you become Mumbaiya, or you become chaat, or you become some samosa person, or it depends on what you want to divert to. And रात को तो वही हमारे घर में world map खुल जाता है ना, we eat pizzas and pastas and every single thing in terms of a bad diet is what starts in the night. So that is the reason we are not people जो low carb कर पाएंगे कभी भी so I think that is what I wanted to tell you all. और intermittent fasting के concepts जो है ना वो काफी they are not, how do I explain this to you, they are not concepts that are rule bound. Okay, some people follow a 16-hour fast. अभी 16-hour fast जो है ना वो follow होता था winter में, तभी विंटर में इतने अच्छे अच्छे लड्डूज आते थे और घी आता था, रिमेंबर. सो कैलोरी डेंस फूड्स विच वर अगेन अ लिटिल हेल्दियर देन दे आर राइट नाउ वर ईटन इन विंटर्स बिकॉज द टाइम फ्रेम टू ईट वॉज वेरी वेरी लेस. और समर में उनको फ्रूट्स मिलते थे, उनको लाइट खाना होता था, सो दे यूज्ड टू कीप ईटिंग अ लिटिल मोर एट दैट टाइम, राइट. सो यहाँ पे तो हमें वो पिन्नियाँ भी खानी है, लड्डू भी खाने हैं, एंड देन वी आर मेसिंग इट अप कम्प्लीटली व्हेन इट कम्स टू मॉडर्न टाइम का diet. Now back to intermittent fasting. What we at Balanced Nutrition have done is हम लोगों ने बहुत ही simple intermittent fasting plans करे हैं, and we always, if it is the first time you are doing it, we always tell you start with 12 hours. 12 hours means अगर आप 9 बजे ब्रेकफास्ट करो, आपके पास 9 बजे तक का टाइम है to have and finish your dinner. Right, so that is what you should be taking care of. You should be first doing something that is very very close to what you do. अगर आप 10 बजे ब्रेकफास्ट कर रहे हो, imagine आपकी eating window रात को 10 बजे तक है. Once that is done, once you are comfortable, once weight loss is being achieved, your blood sugars are coming normal, that is the time when we start with a 14-hour fast, and we stop. और फास्ट में भी आपको लिक्विड्स काफी सारे देते हैं. लिक्विड्स का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप चाय, मिल्क, ये सब पियो. लिक्विड्स का मतलब है क्लियर लिक्विड्स, वाटर बेस्ड, विदाउट एनी सॉल्ट, विदाउट एनी शुगर. So green tea is yes, okay. Black tea, yes, okay. Warm water, okay. Black coffee, okay. What is the ideal window for eating? वही बोल रही हूँ कृतिका. It is 12 hours. It is 14 hours, okay. And it is a 16-hour fast. तो अगर आप 12-hour fast करते हो तो 24 घंटों में से आपको 12 घंटे मिलता है खाने. अगर आप लोग 14 घंटे का फास्ट करते हो, यू स्टिल हैव 10 hours ऑफ एन ईटिंग विंडो. 10 घंटे मिलता है खाना खाने. गाइस कम ऑन. सो अगर आप एक 10 o'clock वाले पर्सन हो, सो 10 से लेके अगले 10 घंटे गिन लो. आई थिंक 7 o'clock मे बी 10 to 8, राइट. या, सो दैट इज योर ईटिंग विंडो. Okay, and if you are doing a very beautiful fast, then I think you are going to be eating from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., which is what they did in winters, And इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप फास्ट भी करो और लो कार्ब वाले खाने खाओ. I think this is the best that suits a lot of Indians. ठीक है? So what I would say is that yes, I think you must as an Indian think about our version of intermittent fasting to not only lose and manage your blood sugar, manage your thyroid, manage hormonal issues, okay? Because जो fasting window होती है ना, उसमें body को rest मिलता है. The enzymes, हमारे सारे engines वापस काम करने लगते हैं, आपका pituitary काम करने लगता है, thyroid अच्छे से काम करने लगता है. Those who think that इनको migraine बढ़ जाएगा because of fast, no. In fact, intermittent fasting is shown to give relief from migraines. It is shown to give relief from acidity. And yes, भूख नहीं लगती बिल्कुल भी. Can we have liquids when we wake up and then have lunch and then straight finish dinner within 14 hours window? नहीं Shalini, what you have to do is, even when your eating window is there, you can have liquids. But eating window जो है, that you have to make sure you are following properly. Okay, in case you guys want to know more about these plans and the plan that will suit you the best, of course you can talk to 9820543329. You can also talk to 9820455544. These are our team of nutritionists who will be happy to help you. काफी सारे questions आ चुके हैं. What do you do when your weight is stuck? Yes, lot of people are asking about weight stuck, and a lot of people are asking, उन्होंने already बहुत सारा पैसा waste कर दिया है डाइट प्लान पे. तो मैं स्टक वेट पे आती हूँ. ठीक है? एट बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन वी हैव अ प्रोग्राम विच वी कॉल एज द प्लेटो ब्रेकर. बट वो प्रोग्राम है ना हमारा सबसे high end program hai in terms of when a person enrolls for that program, that person is enrolling for a rigorous approach, matlab that is one of my favorites because I have used every single principle that I know into it, and that is a real plateau breaker. But my question to all of you is, आप लोग सच में plateau हो चुके हो क्या? तो अगर ये क्वेश्चन उनके लिए है जो प्लेटो हो चुके हैं, जिनका वेट स्टक है या जिनका वेट बहुत स्लो है या जिनका वेट लॉस होता ही नहीं है, फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट यू हैव टू गो एंड चेक योर डाइट. आपने जिस डाइट पे वेट लॉस किया था, ओके, क्या वो डाइट आप ऐसी डाइट है जो पूरी जिंदगी कर पाओ? विल यू बी एबल टू डू इट ऑल योर लाइफ? इफ यू आर गोइंग टू बी एबल टू डू इट ऑल योर लाइफ, or if these changes are going to be somewhere semi-permanent, then yes, the diet was right. Second, if you were on a diet plan and initially we all follow the instructions of our dietitian so well, when your dietitian is writing to you that you have to eat 1 katori of brown rice with 1 katori of dal and sabzi, and today you don't have brown rice, so you know what, पुराना वाला जो नया diet client होता है ना, वो जाके brown rice खरीद के लाता है, isn't it? But if you are someone who is on the 7th and 8th session of the diet plan, 70 days, 80 days into the program, आप लोग इतने confident हो जाते हो कि आप लोग को लगता है हाँ brown rice ना, I'm not going and buying it. I am using rather instead the roti that I have. So guys, y'all are changing it. So if we are giving you, say, on rising, I love giving you something very healthy, when you wake up. So suppose if I'm giving you jeera pani on rising, आप बोलो नहीं, whatever, I don't want, जीरा नहीं चाहिए, मेरे घर में लास्ट वीक का सप्लीमेंट पड़ा है, इलायची मंगाई थी, सो इलायची टी ही पीऊंगी मैं, वाई वेस्ट इलायची. यार ये सब अगर करोगे ना, सो देन ऑब्वियसली योर वेट विल प्लेटो, बट इट इज नॉट प्लेटोइंग बिकॉज डाइट नहीं चल रही है. इट इज प्लेटोइंग बिकॉज यू आर गेटिंग अ लिटिल रिलैक्स्ड. Okay, so when a diet plan is coming to you, when a diet plan, in our case we also give e-kit, so we give a portion control guide, we tell you कि एक कटोरी का मतलब क्या है, we tell you कितना salt, कितना sugar, ये सब अगर सही जा रहा है, and then if you're stuck, that is plateau. Okay, so first and foremost identify करो कि सच में plateau है या आप लोग थोड़े यहाँ वहाँ मस्ती कर रहे हो. So when it comes to that is one thing you will see. Now I'm telling you exactly, अगर बहुत वर्कआउट कर रहे हो, काफी डाइट फॉलो कर रहे हो, एक्सट्रीमली मोटिवेटेड हो, एंड द वेट इज जेन्युइनली स्टक, जो मेरे साथ 3 बार हो चुका था. फॉर ऑल दोज हु डोंट नो, I was 98 kilos myself and battling PCOS as well as infertility. Today I am 56 on a good day, 57 on a bad day, because yes, PCOS has no cure, it has to be managed. Okay, so with management of PCOS, I always make sure I am dancing between 56 and 57 kilos only. Now if I have to take a look at my plateaus, 3 times I have plateaued very badly, and my experiences in beating the plateau जो थे वो सारे हमने मिक्स किए हैं. इनफैक्ट ऑल द प्रोग्राम्स एंड बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन को मिक्स करके एक ब्यूटीफुल प्रिंसिपल ही बनाया हमने, प्लेटो ब्रेकर प्रोग्राम. उसमें आपको कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग भी आएगा, कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ हमारा 9+1, जिसमें वो +1 वाला दिन है जहां हम आपको डिटॉक्स कराते हैं, वो आ गया. वी ऑल्सो मेक श्योर दैट वी आर गिविंग यू समथिंग ऑन लाइन्स ऑफ हाई प्रोटीन और समथिंग ऑन लाइन्स ऑफ कार्ब लोडिंग, बिकॉज वी हैव टू गिव योर बॉडी अ शॉक. Okay, and we do everything to make sure that it gets the shock to be able to lose weight. So if you really kaun hai, the question was someone, okay, if you really have a plateau issue, aap logo ko plateau breaker program dekhna hai, okay, and you are going to make sure that you will make a difference in your weight very soon, because plateau se gain ka jo journey hai na, bahut dangerous journey hai. Okay, does consumption of wheat and rice both in one meal cause weight gain? Guys, see, nothing causes weight gain if you have it in the right proportion meant for you. लोग बहुत सारी मेरी क्लाइंट्स होती है जो बोलती है ख्याति, माई फ्रेंड इज आस्किंग मी फॉर अ डाइट प्लान, जो उसका डाइट प्लान फ्रेंड मांग रही है, या किसी और का डाइट प्लान आप लोगों को मिल गया, या आप लोगों को गूगल पे कोई प्लान मिल गया. Guys, it takes us 7 years to become a qualified nutritionist. I know there are many diplomas and small courses that happen, but in India, see, I think in UAE at least you have the DHA, okay, and we have to take permissions from the DHA to be able to practice there and have a physical practice over there, okay. But in India, the laws are right now still a little open when it comes to एक certificate course कर लिया या एक छोटा diploma कर लिया, but otherwise the dietitian's course is a course that will require 7 years. So imagine 7 साल हम करते क्या है, हम ड्रग न्यूट्रिएंट इंटरैक्शन सीखते हैं, हम बहुत सारी चीजें सीखते हैं, because of which our plans become, or our clients need individualized attention. So that's why despite being an app, हम आपको कहते हैं कि हमको रिप्लाई करने में थोड़ी टाइम लगती है, because पीछे there is a person who is replying to you, not automatic chats, okay. So consumption of wheat and rice पे अगर मैं आऊँ, whenever I'm talking about plating, interesting guys, you must all listen now. Whenever you're plating your food, an Indian plate should be 50% of the cereal family. Okay, cereal में क्या आ गया? Cereal में आया rice, cereal में आया wheat, cereal में आया बाजरा, millets, मैदा, biscuits, bread, quinoa, pasta, every single thing is your cereal family. Okay, wheat से ही रवा बनता है, wheat से ही दलिया बनता है, wheat से ही कुसकुस बनता है. Okay, उसी से आपका खुब्स बनता है. Okay, and yep, that is how it is. So the cereal family has to be 50%, but that 50% of cereal cannot be refined. आप जो राइस यूज करते हो, पॉलिश्ड वाले, सॉफ्ट वाले, ज्यादा कुक करके और सॉफ्ट बना देते हो. पोटैटो इज ऑल्सो कमिंग इन द cereal family, guys. स्वीट पोटैटो इज ऑल्सो इन द cereal family. कॉर्न इज ऑल्सो इन द cereal family. तो अगर आप राइस ले रहे हो ना, तो आपको अनपॉलिश्ड राइस लेना है. ओके, सो अगर आप राइस के साथ इमेजिन रोटी भी ले लो, तो आपका सर्विंग साइज बढ़ जाता है. 25% of it should be vegetables and the other 25% of it should be protein. Okay, उसमें फैट जो है जितना मिनिमल हो उतना बेटर. Protein, your veggies and salads and your entire base of grain. So whether you eat one or whether you eat two, it is always about portions, okay, and not ये और ये mix कर दिया. Yes, we do that in the diet chart. I give them only one bowl, or we give them one roti or maximum 2 CD size rotis depending on their weight so that they don't starve. But yes, cereals will cause a little weight gain because they are carbohydrate sources, and if you are eating that patla phulka and all, थोड़ा ज्यादा हो जाएगा. ठीक है. कल्पा इज सेइंग हाउ हेल्दी इज किनोआ खिचड़ी कैन वी हैव फॉर डिनर. ओके कल्पा, किनोआ जो है वो नेटिव टू इंडिया नहीं है. हमारे यहाँ ना अगर किसी को मार्केटिंग करनी है तो इट्स सो इजी ना. एक किनोआ जो अफ्रीका में हमारे राशन के राइस के कॉस्ट में मिलता है, हियर इट इज एक्सपेंसिव, बट यस वी विल यूज किनोआ. I would even vote bajra khichdi. I would also vote dalia khichdi or a millet khichdi or an oats khichdi, which is little cheaper. Even oats is not Indian, but it is little cheaper and healthier also. So quinoa khichdi, yes, you can have it for dinner. Add lots of veggies to your khichdi. Avoid giving it very heavy tadkas. And if you have it with a bowl of palak raita, it is a very, very good dinner. I would also try and include one cucumber, cut long slices, eat it fast. It's a superb dinner. Okay, so yes, quinoa khichdi is healthy, but also make sure that how you eat it matters, right guys? Quinoa, ragi, buckwheat, is it cereal? Yes, it is all a cereal, guys. Even your barley is a cereal. Okay. Then can we have liquids? I have answered this question. If I've missed any questions, please repost, guys. I will be happy to answer them. Why many other dietitians prefer to give cheese wala diet? See, many dietitians have a lot of what do you say, mindsets where their goal is only and only to make sure that when they see you again, they see weight loss. So concept explain करना या उसके पीछे का reasoning देना is something that is very difficult. Lot of dietitians say mango मत खाओ ना, mango has lot of cholesterol. How many of you think mango is very fattening, guys? Right? A lot of dietitians will say no mango, but I'll tell you, at Balanced Nutrition all the clients including diabetics have eaten mango. What they have not eaten is mango ras, mango milkshake, mango ice cream, mango shrikhand, mango barfi, mango cream. ये सब नहीं खाया उन्होंने, but they every day ate a mango because one mango and one apple have the same calories. In fact, mango ये season में आता है. It is very rich in carotene. Those carotenes will be saved in your liver and you will be able to use it until gajar comes into the picture. because gajar has other carotene, no? So gajar in winter and mango in summer are your carotene stores. But mango, do not eat it after dinner, do not eat it as a dessert in between your meals, and you are absolutely fine. Same with cheese, okay? If you have to ask me, paneer, ghee, cheese, butter, oil, these are high fat sources. So if you are eating a cheese pizza in dinner, I will tell you, breakfast में से आलू पराठा का बटर निकालो, आलू निकालो, okay? Have a better, healthier breakfast over there. Lunch में थेपला ऑयल वाला नहीं, any dal and all which is oily बिल्कुल नहीं, okay? रोटी में घी नहीं, okay? Don't try and say it's healthy, it's healthy, it's healthy. It is not healthy because you're going to overload on cheese in dinner. So what we teach you is, we teach you एक family में like 30 grams of paneer. 30 grams of paneer is one matchbox. Okay, Indian matchbox, you know. Okay, this much. That is 30 grams of paneer and it has 7 grams fat. So imagine क्या हो रहा है in terms of fat. That is why, you know, most of our clients who are eating a high protein diet do not eat carbs. फिर carbs नहीं खाते हैं तो भूख लगती है, क्योंकि ketosis होना fat. I don't know if I'm able to explain this to you, but a high fat diet will cause ketosis, which will obviously make you lose weight यार. But carbs का है, पूरी जिंदगी थोड़ी ऐसे खा सकते हो आप. So what we focus is, we focus on giving you something that is absolutely practical and to the point. If you're a person who's already loving low carbs, if you're not a roti rice person, we give you something like that. So in and around what you're doing, a healthier choice is something that we do. Okay, we also depend, you know, I don't know where you stay, but then there is obviously a higher amount of fat intake when it is in a colder region. You know, we are also a little liberal with the fat. Right. So yeah, I hope I've answered your question. Then there are too many questions. Can we eat oats roti with vegetable in dinner? Yes, Bhavika. In fact, we've come up with a beautiful oats roti recipe. And Bhavika, I think Prajakta shared your pictures with me. You look hot. Beautiful changes. In fact, you're going to be on our, you know, Instagram success stories as per your comfort very, very soon. Right. So, can we eat oats roti in dinner? Yes, provided you see the recipe that is in your app. Okay. And yes, you can eat it. It's beautiful. But oats is also a cereal, a high fiber cereal. That is why it is better than wheat roti and it will help you lose weight. What can we have in a high protein vegetarian diet? सबसे पहले तो हाई प्रोटीन वेजिटेरियन डाइट की जरूरत क्यों पड़ गई? अनलेस एंड अंटिल यू आर एन एथलीट, यू आर अ बॉडी बिल्डर, अनलेस एंड अंटिल यू आर वेरी डेफिशिएंट इन प्रोटीन, विच 90% इंडियंस आर, दैट इज व्हेन यू नीड अ हाई प्रोटीन वेजिटेरियन डाइट. हाई प्रोटीन वेजिटेरियन डाइट्स में बहुत ऑप्शन है आप लोगों के पास. डिड यू नो दाल्स आर क्लास 2 प्रोटीन, दे आर नॉट क्लास 1. दाल्स में जो अमाइनो प्रोटीन्स आर मेड अप ऑफ अमाइनो एसिड्स. बेसिकली स्किन इज मेड अप ऑफ ऑल्सो अ प्रोटीन, राइट? द लेयर ऑफ द स्किन इज डर्मिस, वैसे एक नाम है अमाइनो एसिड्स. सो प्रोटीन्स आर मेड ऑफ अमाइनो एसिड्स एंड दोज अमाइनो एसिड्स विच आर मिसिंग इन, you know, your dal are available in your chawal. So when you're eating a dal chawal, you are raising the protein content. When you're eating khichdi, you're raising the protein content and it's becoming a decent protein source. Idli, it's becoming a decent protein source. You're eating it with sambar, very healthy in terms of a combo. Okay, your dosa also, हाँ, but refined वाला rice मत use करो. वो उकड़ा rice होता है ना जो typical South Indians use करते हैं. That one is a healthier one. Ragi idlis are also a great option. Make sure you are mixing it in the proportions as mentioned. And yes, you can get a very high protein option. Low fat paneer, okay, घर में ही बना लो. You know, remove the cream from the milk once and you will get at least a good decent amount of skimmed milk. You can make paneer out of that and you can eat that paneer. You can eat a lot of sprouts, okay? Sprout pizza is my favorite evening recipe. खाखरा, उसके ऊपर बहुत सारे sprouts, काफी सारा जो भी घर में आज vegetable है, which looks really fresh. Sometimes lettuce, sometimes carrot, grate the cabbage, chop the capsicum. जो मिलता है, I put a lot of it there. I put a lot of lime. I put a little bit of meetha chutney, which is again khajur, which will give me a little iron. And depending on my mood, I have it, you know, at whatever time I'm hungry. So soya is also a very decent source of protein. And combined with, if you are somebody जो lactose ले रहा है, तो दही is a superb source of protein, you know. And चने की सब्जी खा ली, you know, चौली की सब्जी खा ली. Even in breakfast, you know, initially if you go, our culture used to give, like in my house, you know, in a Gujarati household, when we used to go to our native place, we used to have sliced tomatoes with lots of pepper powder and a big bowl of moong which was boiled, and it was boiled only, and there was little ghee on top with little haldi and little namak, and we used to have that. It was such a healthy breakfast, isn't it? Right? Can we have dalia with brown sugar? हाँ, शुगर की बात आ गई है, तो लेट मी टेल यू, 1 चम्मच हनी, 1 चम्मच व्हाइट शुगर, 1 चम्मच जैगरी, 1 चम्मच मेपल सिरप, 1 चम्मच मोलासेस, 1 चम्मच brown sugar. All these contain same amount of calories. So if you're trying to lose weight, guys, nothing is better than the other. You might as well use whatever you want in the amount that is prescribed to you. ये मत समझो कि because ये जैगरी वाली चाय है, okay, you are entitled to have zyada or something like that. जी नहीं, okay. In fact, this sessions we were planning diets, so I have given one rasgulla to a few diets. I've given one peda to a few diets. Let's see now how things go. Right. Is those healthy हो गया? What is the ideal window? I think I did that. What questions we have? Khichdi is done. Broken wheat dalia is okay for dinner. Is it high carb? So when it comes to broken wheat dalia, or it comes to your grain size, ठीक है, wheat जो है वो गेहूं है. गेहूं को अगर आपने थोड़ा कूटा तो it becomes dalia. ओके, और उसको और थोड़ा प्रोसेस किया तो इट बिकम्स रवा. सो आई विल गिव गेहूं, ओके, 10 out of 10 इन टर्म्स ऑफ फाइबर. सो हमारे पास इनफैक्ट एक होल व्हीट सैलड है जहां हम आप लोगों को होल व्हीट भिगाने के लिए बोलते हैं, एंड देन वंस इट्स कुक्ड वेरी नाइसली वी मेक यू ईट इट. सेकेंड इज दलिया. इट स्टिल रिटेन्स द फाइबर, इट इज बिग. द बिगर द फूड द बेटर. इसीलिए आपको जूसिंग के लिए मना करते हैं हम, राइट? यू ईट द फ्रूट एज इट इज, यू डोंट सिट एंड चॉप इट टू मच ऑफ मशीनेस, टू मच ऑफ मैश. इट इंक्रीजेज योर ब्लड शुगर, राइट? सो अ रवा उपमा ऑल्सो इज माई लीस्ट प्रिफर्ड उपमा. उसके बाद तो आटा आता है, ओके, और आटे के बाद मैदा. ओ, इट ओनली गेट्स वर्स फ्रॉम देयर, राइट? बाजरा आटा इज बेटर देन मैदा बिकॉज बाजरा इज बाय नेचर वेरी हाई इन फाइबर. थिक आटा ही बनता है, उसकी रोटियां भी थिक ही बनती है. लेकिन भैया हमने तो सुना है भैया बारीक पीसो, आई वांट फाइनर आटा. दैट्स नॉट हाउ इट इज. Eat it in a way where you get that fiber, okay? And the best way to add fiber in your diet, हम तो Indians है, इतना easy है हमारे लिए. पूरा देश भरा हुआ है मिलेट से, you know. Ragi is very naturally high in fiber. Jawar is, you know, wheat, when you eat it the Punjabi way, or you eat that bati with that khurdara atta, it's fantastic, right guys? Okay, then we have another question. Do we have any questions? Did you follow quantified nutrition in your journey to weight loss? नहीं कृतिका, I followed a very practical approach to my weight loss. जैसे there were certain weaknesses I had, okay? I am a vegetarian, so मुझे कभी भी I was very fearful of my protein intake, but at that time I knew that मुझसे नहीं नॉनवेज खाया जाएगा, एंड टू मच ऑफ सप्लीमेंटेशन ऑल्सो, दैट वाज माई वीकनेस. लोग तो 5-5 स्कूप प्रोटीन पी लेते हैं, बट आई कुडंट. सिमिलरली एट बैलेंस न्यूट्रिशन, इफ यू आर coming with a weakness, then we will be taking care of all your weaknesses, okay? I did not eat a breakfast. मुझसे नहीं खाया जाता था breakfast, but I managed to plan my calories around it so well that I could manage to lose the weight, and in a very healthy way, right guys? Then we have a question. मुझे आप लोगों से एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग बात भी करनी है. Are you already, as you already had said about biscuits, what should we have? Something instant with the tea and other than makhana and when you take tea without sugar, you feel like some biscuit चाहिए. एक तो यार मिस्कॉर, सबसे पहले तो यार चाय में शक्कर डालो, okay? I do that. I have a mug of tea in the morning. Yeah. कप नहीं पीती, एक मग ऑफ चाय पीती हूँ, और उसके साथ अदरक एंड ऑल. ऑफ कोर्स आई नीड इट, मसाले वाली ब्यूटिफुल चाय, हेल्दी. एंड उसके साथ आई नीड वन खाखरा, बिकॉज द स्वीटनेस ऑफ द चाय इज स्टिल manageable. Half spoon sugar, 1 spoon sugar is how much? 5 grams, 25 calories. Half spoon, 12 calories. That's 8. So those 12 calories are much better than the cookie ke 200 calories. I treat myself with a Marie biscuit, 1 biscuit once in a week. Sometimes a Thursday, sometimes a Wednesday, because मुझे भी तो midweek blues आते हैं ना. सो जैसे वेनेसडे आज लाइव जाना है, okay, so now I think if the live goes well and if you all appreciate it, tomorrow morning I will have my Mary biscuit. Okay, I like that biscuit, so please choose any one biscuit once in a week, but at the same time what I would say is have that sugar in your tea and please save yourself from that entire episode of not having, can we have rock salt instead of iodized salt? Will it help in weight loss? Riddhi, such a beautiful question. नमक नमक होता है गाइस, ओके, तुम रॉक सॉल्ट लो, ब्लैक सॉल्ट लो, अनपॉलिश सॉल्ट लो, जाड़ा नमक लो, पतला नमक लो. You know what you're going to do? There are many for high blood pressure, there was a low sodium salt that came out. I got it at home and I started using it because obviously we have to use things and normal salt अगर किसी में आधा चम्मच जाता है, to get that taste I started putting one big chammach. So I started using more salt. So ultimately to reach that taste level I had to use, एक तो हमारे घर में वैसे भी salt कम है, न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट का घर, so the salt intake is less. But then you know what we do, एक चीज के चक्कर में ना हम दूसरी चीज ऐसी फूलिश कर लेते हैं. बट नो, इट डजंट मेक अ डिफरेंस ऑन वेट लॉस व्हाटएवर सॉल्ट you use. But yes, if you have hypertension, if you have kidney disorders, the amount of sodium matters. So if you are a hypertensive person, the first thing as a nutritionist, my checklist should be इनविजिबल सॉल्ट कितना खाते हो, मतलब पापड़ कितना खाते हो, अचार कितना खाते हो, प्रिजर्वेटिव वाला केचप कितना खाते हो, वो सॉल्टेड चिप्स कितनी खाते हो. तो वो सारा भी अगर हट जाए ना, then you don't need to reduce your table salt intake at all. At least घर का basic अच्छा खाना खा सकते हैं. By the way, cheese is also very high in sodium. Yep. All those who eat shawarma, my UAE listeners, that also is something that will not be able to sustain. Right? Let me now tell you 3 things, okay, that you think are very healthy and you spend a bomb on it, but ultimately they are extremely unhealthy. कोई मुझे बता सकता है ये क्या होता है? आज तो यार मैं देखो पानी का बॉटल भी भूल गई हूँ. So guys, 3 things tell me that you think are very healthy. You pay so much for it. You get it home. Okay, you get it home also, and we end up not having it. One is low fat products, guys. Okay, so if anyone is telling you this is cholesterol free, this is low fat, no, I think you know what, it is the biggest scam over here. Low fat का मतलब low calorie नहीं होता. ठीक है, आप लोग है ना रोस्टेड चिप्स लाते हो, लाइक घर में वो रोस्टेड मखाना हेल्दी है रोस्टेड है, एंड ऑल आई डू इज आई जस्ट टर्न द wrapper around and I just read the content and the calories of a normal salted chip, okay, available in the market, and the calories there in your roasted chip are the same. Okay, they only reduce the fat, they do not reduce calories. Same with sugar free. Did anyone tell you sugar free is low calorie? And if it is low calorie, did they tell you it is low fat also? And did they tell you it is healthy? आपके दिमाग में घुसा दिया है कि लो कैलोरी, लो शुगर, लो फैट इज अ हेल्दी ऑप्शन. जी नहीं. इनफैक्ट देर आर सो मेनी कैलोरी फ्री आइसक्रीम्स that are roaming around and with whey protein added. So high protein calorie free desserts कहते हैं. Just turn it around and see the amount of preservatives and sweetness के लिए sugar डालते हैं artificial oligosaccharides. You will get gas, you will get bloating, you will get stomach issues. Okay, so that is, I think, one big thing I wanted to tell you. Low fat is not low calorie. Okay, किसी ने बोला है कि हमारी कोक जो है 0 कैलोरीज है वो हेल्दी है? नहीं ना, right? It will make you want to eat so much more that you will regret having that coke otherwise, right guys? Yeah, sometimes we also overdo salads, avocados. So avocados also, guys, are extremely high on calories. Nuts are also extremely high on calories. Just because they are healthy doesn't mean we eat 12, 13, 14, 15 nuts in a day. Okay, 5 badam if you eat every day in 8 days, okay, 8 5s are 40 badams, right? If you multiply by 30, 8 3s are, you ate 240 badams in a month. That is a lot of badams. Got it, guys? So be careful, understand, equate your things. Okay, थोड़ा मुझे कोई बोलता है how many calories to eat, I would say that first understand कि food में कौन से food में क्या है, कितना है. Calories is my job. Okay, don't worry about all that. Just worry about understanding your food labels. Worry about the frequency of eating healthy. Okay, avocado से oil निकलता है, olives में से oil निकलता है. Guys, these are oil seeds. They are high on calories. Zero cholesterol avocado. Obviously, it's a plant food. Anything that is coming from plants, whether it is seed का तेल, whether it is any oil, all nuts, plant पे grow होते हैं. Zero cholesterol. They increase your TG, LDL. Okay, those values they increase. Right. Too much to take in today? है ज़्यादा हो गया? नहीं ना? Right. Hi ma'am, advise me regarding my diet, bladder capacity and active bladder issues, prostate. Okay, Rajput ji, what I would say is you should talk to us personally on this, because prostate issues and diet is something we can help you with, but it's a very very personalized case, right? Salt ho gaya. Night dinner recipes. Oh, so many, we have more than 1500 recipes, because we have clients all over the world. We have South Indians, we have people who are in UK, we have people in US, some love continental. We also have Korean and Malay, because we had clients in Singapore and in and around those areas, all Indians only. But come on, हमें restaurant guide भी है हमारे पास. So we, in fact, if you are Swiggying, if you are Zomatoing, in your program you are getting one restaurant guide, one alcohol guide, one portion control guide, which you have to just go and open again and again. The moment you open it, you will get what you want. Then let me see. I want to know about stevia. Anything that is a substitute, anything that artificially enhances the taste, okay, it will always harm your system, right? My personal experience is that whenever I have tried using sugar free or stevia or sucralose also, not equal and all that, but sucralose wala ekdam natural wala bhi, my system goes for a toss. A lot of our clients' systems goes for a toss. Okay, so I think it's a very bad idea, guys. Do not have such things. Okay, now there are other things like I think Kritinga is asking me where drinking hot water before every meal. Okay, she's saying is good for weight loss, and that she's a teaching professional. Yes, see, you have a hot water before you start your day, but if your breakfast is including in Mumbai, if it is vada pav, or if you are eating a cheese croissant, or if you are having a peanut butter jelly sandwich with so much of peanut butter and white bread, then that hot water is of no use. तो हमें ये भी एक differentiate करना है कि अगर आप कोई tablet या कोई pill या कोई ऐसी तरकीब ढूंढ रहे हो तो मत करो. Okay, because मैं 7 साल नहीं पढ़ती, मैं सीधी वो तरकीब यूज कर लेती. Okay, and I would have given that to you also. Okay, it's not that easy, guys. One thing does not work. It is always an amalgamation of every single thing that works. Okay, when it comes to keto also, keto diets, okay, we had before lockdown we had gone to Prague. Okay, I think I have last 10 minutes, so please pour in all your questions, and if we don't answer, Instagram guys can please DM us. I will be very happy to answer your questions, because after the live आपके questions नहीं होंगे, but हाँ Facebook पे होंगे, तो we will answer you even after the live, not to worry. I was talking about keto diets. Okay, so we went to Prague before lockdown to study, because Prague was the capital, world capital of keto diets. They used to eat so much meat, so much meat, so much meat. And before, in the last 5 years, Prague has the highest number of vegetarian, vegan restaurants. Yup. Why that sudden change? Why that sudden shift? Yes. Keto diets were very, very actively used, because those were the diets with Czechoslovakian, Russian countries. Winters there are very harsh. The walking, the traditional, जैसे हमारे यहाँ खेती करते थे, there used to be these wintry climates, snow and very, very, very horrid cold, which required them to eat so much meat, so much fat. Now things are changing. People are working in heated offices, when it is cold, and life has completely changed. They do not believe in their sunrise, sunset and all, right? So they have also changed their way of eating. A lot of Indians do not do well on keto diets, because Indian keto जैसी कोई चीज़ है ही नहीं. आप steak for breakfast, आप egg yolks and steak and heavy fat food नहीं खा पाओगे, आप rice और रोटी के बिना नहीं रह पाओगे. So even if it's a temporary glitch, guys, I would say don't do it. So we have a lot of keto diets wale clients who come back after 3-4 months of doing keto with a very bad lipid profile. Cholesterol बढ़ चुका होता है, LDL, VLDL तो is shooting through the roof. So that is not a diet for us. Okay. I am a fan of detox diets because I feel that like everything, like our brain needs, sleep every single day. Our body needs that 1 day of a detox. But that detox, please do not Google it. It has to come from a qualified nutritionist. Let her tell you how many times. हम बोले 1 day, आप कर लो 3 days to get lalchi and get more weight loss. No. Make sure that it is coming in a package to you, and that is how you deal with it, right? What about sugar free rusks? शिफाली, sugar free rusk किसने बोला फैट फ्री है? रस्क बनाने के लिए काफी सारा बटर भी नहीं, वो गंदा वाला बटर जाता है, which is डालडा in our, it's called margarine in their, in their language, but in our language it is dalda. So who told you it is fat free? Who told you it is low calorie? No, wrong. Okay, how healthy is a vegan diet? Vegan diet is an absolutely healthy diet, but it has to be your choice. कोई आपको force नहीं कर सकता. Yes, but if you're on a vegan diet, you have to consult a dietitian who is very qualified, and she makes sure that आपको आपका fat, आपका protein सब मिल जाए. India में, have you seen people on the construction line, the mazdurs, yesterday I was seeing, someone cleaning the drainage. When they came out, he had biceps. And I'm sure he is not eating protein powders, and he is not eating quinoa, and he's not eating expensive foods. He is working a lot. That is why his body is in top shape, because of the top physical conditions that he is doing. Right, guys? I cannot think of dinner, only saute veggies and paneer. I need a khichdi or a dal or a chawal. जी हाँ, इसीलिए मैं कहती रहती हूँ मत करो ऐसे. Right. Thanks for the tea tip. Always welcome. Is Diet Coke better than normal Coke? I'm not answering that. Diet Coke and normal Coke both are not good, guys. अब जो not good वाली कैटेगरी में है, और अगर आपको खाना है ना, तो we have a cheat sheet, okay? कब खाना है, कैसे खाना है, किसके साथ पेयर करना है, that is what it is. I think we have given you a lot of insight today on, oh my god, okay. Balanced nutrition always allows us to lose weight without any artificial supplement, and that's the best part of it. This is Preeti from Singapore. Yes, she's also become very smart in controlling her portions, and she's doing a great job, right? Sugar cravings and how you manage it. I will discuss this absolutely in the next live, which we should do very, very nicely. Okay, allergy ke test. Okay, when it comes to any kind of tests, we nutritionists, at least in India, do not have the degree, to tell you which one and which test should we do. We tell you to go to a doctor, and he will be the best person to recommend any tests for you. Prachi saying, I loved your detox. It cleared her acidity. I love it. And can we have prunes after dinner? Yeah, prunes kha, dates kha, ice cream khao. But the only worry that I have is पूरे दिन में क्या खाया है? Okay, so if the whole day has been a very heavily, a carb-loaded diet, we can't go ahead. I think Shefali, you're trying to find out dinner के बाद क्या खाए, but I want to find out आपने सुबह से लेके रात तक क्या खाया है. Right? Okay, someone saying thank you very much. I like eating oatmeal, boiled eggs morning. Very good, Kritika. I think I need your recall also. Why don't you all log into www.balancednutrition.in? I'm asking my team to put a link of the health score also. Okay, that health score is a test that will tell you how overweight you are and how you can find out the number of kgs you have to lose, and then they can also explain to you the programs we have. Of course, for all our listeners, and definitely for IWWW, we will definitely give you a great offer. Please ping us back on Facebook, or just shoot a WhatsApp on 9820455544 or 9820543329. And we shall be extremely happy to help you. Yes, it was a big happy 1 hour. I think I cleared a lot of your myths. I will see you guys soon. You please leave feedback. अगर आप लोगों को हफ्ते में एक बार हमसे मिलना है, I'll be more than happy to see you. Bye bye guys. Take care.